So in this video, we're just going to be discussing the impacts of video conferencing on certain areas. Please remember to let me know if you have any questions on anything in these videos. So let's go through these slides. So what is the impact of video conferencing on the general public? So positive impacts. We can interact with loved ones far away. It allows those with speech impediments to use sign language. So remember, at a video conference, there are webcams, so it's a very visual interaction. So if someone has a speech impediment, they can use sign language in the video conference to communicate. The negative impacts of video conferencing on the general public. So users may feel self-conscious and uncomfortable in front of a camera. And it contributes to the widening of the digital divide, so the gap between old people and young people. So not many old people might use video conferencing, so that's going to contribute to widening the digital divide. So these are positive and negative impacts of video conferencing on the general public. So what is the impact of video conferencing on the law? So the positive impacts allows us to give testimony via video conferencing. It helps those who are psychologically affected to witness without being face-to-face with the wrongdoer. It saves travel expenses and increases safety to the public, as suspects may testify from jail, and conducts interviews quickly. There's no need to travel to different sites. So these are positive impacts of video conferencing on the law. So what is the impact of video conferencing on education? So engages students to share ideas and communicate when in different parts of the world. This can lead to debating with others from different cultures. So experts and lecturers can give lectures and talks without traveling, sometimes to more than one school, university at a time, so many people can join in on the video conference. Lectures can be recorded and can be held for students if the lecturer is away. So a lecturer can have a lecture and record that lecture, and if any student misses that lecture, they can access it later because it's been recorded. So these are impacts of video conferencing on education. So what is the impact of video conferencing on medicine? Consultants and physicians can discuss health of patients. External hardware, such as endoscopes. So endoscopes are medical devices. So they're long, flexible tubes that can be put inside the human body to see what is happening inside someone's body. So they can be connected. Images can be shared, which helps assess the patient's case. It reduces traveling costs and increasing efficiency, so more cases can be assessed because they don't have to travel or spend time traveling. Doctors and patients can be in touch with patients, especially those who cannot travel. So these are impacts of video conferencing on medicine. What is the impact of video conferencing on business? So face-to-face meetings without leaving the office can occur, and it saves travel time and expense. So they can use time more efficiently working, for example, and not traveling. Okay, cool. So that's the end of the lesson. Please let me know if you have any questions.